Okay, so here's the last couple problems that would be on your week 1 homework, the 6.1a to 6.1d. And we're talking about triangles here. And what we want to do is we want to find the missing angle. So this triangle has a 57 degree angle, a 42 degree angle, and we're missing the last one. And so here we know that all the angles in a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. And so if I do 57 degrees plus 42 degrees plus the third one, which is the missing one, x degrees, those are going to add and be equal to 180 degrees. And so what we do is we combine our like terms. That's the 57 and the 42, and that gives us 99 degrees. Plus the missing one equals the 180 degrees. Now we can't combine the 99 and the x. Those are not the like terms. And so we're actually going to solve for x, meaning getting the x by itself. So if we leave the x here, then we got to move the 99. So it's a positive 99. We're going to subtract 99. And so if I subtract 99 here, and I subtract 99 from the other side, then what that tells me is that x has to be 81 degrees. So that would be the missing side. So let's try it one more time when it's a little bit harder. So now we have 3, but now they all have variables in it. And so, but it's the exact same process that we just did. They still, all 3 add to be 180 degrees. And so I'm going to take the first angle, angle D, and say 3x minus 6. And to that, I'm going to add the E, which is 4x plus 2. And I'm going to add the last one, which is just x. And those equal 180 degrees. Now, when I look at this, I notice that I have like terms. I have 3 x's, 4 x's, and an x. And those are all positives. So I'm going to add all those together, and that's going to give me 8x. Now I have a negative 6, a positive 2, and that's all I have over here. So when I combine those, when we combine, we add. So I'm going to add negative 6 and a positive 2. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. So I'm going to put minus 4 equals 180 degrees. Now we have an equation. This is a two-step equation. So I'm not sure. I guess you could put that one in there. Maybe they would accept that one as well. I'm not sure which one you have to put in. The first one is probably the most exact, but the second one still works. Now in part B, we have to, first we're going to solve for x, and then we're going to figure out what each of the angles are. So step 1, okay, solve for x. So now we're going to say, okay, I have 8 x's and I have a minus 4. I need to add 4. Now the 4 is gone, and so my 8x is equal to 184. Now I divide by 8. So x is going to equal, and I believe that comes out to be 23. So x is 23. Now if I take that, if I look down here, I notice the angle F is just x. So angle F would be 23 degrees. I also have these other two, so when I bring the x here, I'm going to plug the x in for my 4x plus 2. So I have 4 times my x, which was the 23, plus 2. Now 4 times 23, that is 92, plus 2 equals 94. And so angle E, 94 degrees. And then I have angle D, so over here I'm going to take that. That's going to be 3 times x. The x was 23, minus the 6. Now 3 times 23, I believe that is 69, minus 6. So we get 63 degrees. So the last step is I need to double check. Do those add up to be 180? So if I add straight down, I get 3 plus 4, that's 7 plus 3, so that's going to be a 10. Put a 1 up. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 9, 16, 17, 18. So yeah, those add up to 180 degrees. And so there we go. We have all the different parts to it. Thanks for listening.